How to scan multiple pages into one PDF on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device. Click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on the plus sign here, click on Scan. After you've clicked on Scan, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure you've allowed the access, then click on the circle icon to take a picture. After that, it will scan and you'll find it in this way. If you want to add one more, click on the plus sign at the bottom right and take picture, then press on next. Then you can press on upload at the top right corner of your screen and it will be uploaded to your drive. You can simply click on it and you will find PDF form document. And this is how to scan multiple pages into one PDF on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.